Good morning. I'm Alex from Fontain Motors. This is our SQ5 BA68JPJ, actually a 2019 car, so one of the very final petrol engined UK supplied SQ5s. What we are going to do before the temperature gets up to the full 38 degrees today, so we'll go quickly, we're going to go around the car, one panel, one interior area at a time as I loop around it. I will show you imperfections, defects on the car as I see them as we go around. I'll also show you some of the features and optional extras fitted. I'm not going to try and show you every single thing because that would make for a very long and waffly video, but I will show you some of the cool stuff. If you'd like to see full specification, visit fontain.co.uk where you will find the specification in full as well as fully itemised service records. So there we go, a little general look at the front of the car there. Let's start going in close and make a proper start. So obviously Mythos black, and 7-8 years old. Presents overall really very nicely, but if you go in super close, you'll see there are fine stone chips. There is nothing unsightly. There's no dents or scratches. There's no chunks of paint missing. Overall shows itself very well, and much the same if you go lower down. So the headlamps, they're nice and bright and clear. The paint on the bumper, finish on the bumper, really good. Same again, if I go in right up close, you'll see those fine chips. We actually carried out a black styling conversion on this car for the previous owner, so the chrome on the side grills is wrapped. The radiator grille is replaced with a black one that's not been plastic dipped or wrapped, anything like that. That's a new grille. Simply because Audi never offered black styling from the factory on this model, or did black edition as a model until after the facelift with a diesel engine. So this is done very much in the factory style, nothing aftermarket looking to spoil it. And you can see there, front bumper, front end show themselves very well. Let's move to the near side. So I'm crouching right down low now. If I move my phone around a little, you can watch the alignment and reflections, all lovely and straight. Paint looks great, no dents to show you down that side. Near side front wheel there, 21-inch 5-arm polygon wheels on this car. Falcon tyre on that corner with probably 6 if not 7 millimeters of tread. That's very recent. That brake disc doesn't look at all old either, and you can see the wear on that is very, very slight. I think I saw a mark on that. Yeah, so you've got, if you're going real close, just on the lip there, you've got a light curb mark on that wheel. All nice along the sill, no damage there other than a few small chips behind the front wheel. No damage on the near side door mirror. No damage near side front door, a couple of little chips. In this car we have a full black leather interior with contrast pale grey stitching and piano lacquer black inlays. There's the anthracite Alcantara insert on the door panel. We have Bang & Olufsen speaker upgrade. Flat bottom steering wheel, virtual cockpit. I'll show you those properly when we get to the other side. So on SQ5 you get fully electric leather sports seats with diamond stitching. And again, I'll show you properly when we get round, but we do have panoramic glass sunroof on this car. View up and over the roof, no damage or stains up there. Moving down to the near side rear door, much like the front, it's really good. If you want to nitpick, bring your magnifying glass and you'll see the odd tiny thing, but nothing I think you would really call damage. And this side, rear door panel, seat back, leather of the rear seats, all looks nice. Exactly that phone call. 3-zone climate control in SQ5, so hopefully no arguments on temperature from the rear seat passengers. No damage on the quarter or into that rear bumper. Near side rear wheel there, I'm not seeing any marks on that one, but I'm sure you might find something tiny if you brought your magnifying glass along with you. Goodyear tyres on the rear, again 6 if not 7mm tread, loads remaining on those. I think we've actually got rear discs to go onto this car as they're getting quite worn. Round to the back. Presents well. Tailgate glass bright and clear. No scratching around the boot handle. See the reversing camera peeping out there. I'll show you that working. Right, just slide the parcel shelf, luggage cover, whatever you want to call it, out of the way. So, boot trims and carpets all look nice. It's had a boot mat in for certainly as long as we've known the car, so we sold this car I think 3 years ago. And you can see that's done a nice job protecting the carpets. Not that it's super exciting if I just show you under there quick. Toolkit and subwoofer for the stereo. Tow truss, removable tow bar fitted to this car. Obviously that stays with it, works as it should. Tailgate, of course. Rear bumper and valance, they all look really good. No damage on the face that I can see. If you go in super close on the load lip, I don't even think they're going to show on film. There's very faint loading marks, but I don't think anything that warrants remedial action. Offside now, again we'll start down low. I'll move my phone around so you can look at paint, reflections, see the alignment. You can see that yourself, I hope. That's all really nice. Offside quarter panel, no damage. Lovely and clean inside the fuel door. Normal 95 RON, unleaded for this engine, no requirement to use super. Offside rear wheel, again I'm not seeing any marks on that one. Goodyear tyre matching the other side, similar tread as well, 6 or 7mm, so loads remaining. No damage offside rear door. Quarter the door panel. Just the very, very faintest of marks on the seat backs in this car. Most recent owners' children were a little older, so I don't think it's had child seats in, and if it has, it's not been for a long while. Offside front door looks really good. Again, magnifying glass job, minuscule chips. No damage on the door mirror. Offside front door panel, you've got control there for the folding mirrors, there for electric tailgate. Not really looking anywhere on the armrest. The steering wheel leather, obviously flat bottom wheel on this car, that's in nice condition. As are the gear selector and armrest. I mean, there's very light wear on the driver's seat, but I do mean that it's in lovely condition. You can see that it's been used, but it presents itself very well. Fundamentally nice quality interiors in these cars, so if you take reasonable care of them, they last really well. Offside front wheel also looks nice. Tyre matching in near side front, probably 5 to 6 millimeters on that one. So front discs we know have excellent life in them. All the tyres have got loads on them. I do need to double check, and I'll put a note in the advert on this, but I'm fairly sure we've got this one down for rear discs and pads, just because they're starting to get a bit warm. Engine bay, clean, tidy and standard. This is not a modified car. 3 litre petrol V6, well maintained. If you'd like to see service history, as I mentioned before, that's all on our website at fontain.co.uk. We don't just say it's got full history, we itemise it so you can see it in detail. Mileage please, 57,548 miles at the time of filming. Virtual cockpit on this car. All working nicely. This is car that's been run for all of 30 seconds today. It's still cold, and you can see it's straight into a smooth idle. No warning lights, running as it should do. So all well on virtual cockpit. On the MMI screen, where are you in the media screen? So that's all the different music media sources. DAB digital radio. Shush that before YouTube tells me off. European navigation. Bluetooth with Bluetooth audio. How much are you going to use those? I don't know. Smartphone interface, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support, so your music, messages, navigation, generally all taken care of by that. Whatever you're listening to should sound pretty good, as we have Bang & Olufsen speaker upgrade. Parking sensors all round with camera on the back. 3-zone climate control, heated front seats. Both the ventilation and the interior in the car smell fresh. No indication pets or smokers in this car. Drive select controls there. SQ5s come with damper control, the adjustable suspension, so you can make the ride a little softer, a little firmer as suits conditions or your driving style. Extended LED interior ambient lighting pack, so if you want to pair purple surface lights with bright yellow line lights, you absolutely can. Sunroof, as I said, I would show you. So rear panel is fixed, front panel tilts and slides. That's tilt. That slide controls just there. Nice and smooth and quiet in operation. Let's start that closing up. I'll show you. You've got a full length electric blind coming over now. Again, also smooth and quiet in operation. And there we go, back around. I hope you found that video to have been helpful, giving you a really good impression of the car. I think it's in lovely condition and well maintained, but do have a read of the advert, see the service record, specification, have a look through the photos. There's 50 odd or something on fontain.co.uk. If I've missed something, if you've got a question, if you'd like to discuss a part exchange, finance, a reservation, arrange a visit in person, do of course reach out directly, don't be a stranger. Thanks very much indeed.